Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to learn 10 lines on ATM. An ATM or automated teller machine is a special machine that lets us take out money from your bank account. You can use an ATM with a special card called a debit card. ATMs are usually found at banks, stores, and other convenient locations. To use an ATM, you need to enter a secret code called a PIN, personal identification number. ATMs can give you cash, show your account balance, and sometimes let you deposit money. You can use an ATM anytime, even when the bank is closed. Using an ATM is fast and easy, making it simple to get money when you need it. ATMs also help you save time because you don't have to wait in line at the bank. Always keep your PIN number a secret to keep your money safe. Remember to take your card and receipt after using the ATM. Thanks for watching. Please share, like and subscribe my channel.